Across the Earth, there are mountains born of fire, towering, erupting, and endlessly captivating. These are the world's most stunning volcanoes. Mount Mayon in the Philippines. Often called the most beautiful volcano in the world, with its almost perfect cone shape, this natural wonder seems sculpted by the gods. BBC once described it as the epitome of volcanic symmetry. On a small island off Sicily, Stromboli lights up the night. Known as the lighthouse of the Mediterranean, it erupts almost constantly. Its fiery show, especially along the steep Sciara del Fuoco, is a spectacle unlike any other. Mount Fuji. More than a volcano, it's an icon. Snow-capped and symmetrical, it has inspired centuries of Japanese art, poetry, and pilgrimage. Calm and majestic, it stands as a cultural and natural treasure. Santorini, the volcano that gave birth to a paradise. Its ancient eruption shaped a crescent island around a deep blue caldera. Today, its sunsets over the Aegean Sea are as breathtaking as its volcanic past. Arenal Volcano, Costa Rica. Surrounded by rainforest and alive with energy. Though now quieter, it was once one of the most active volcanoes in the world. Its verdant setting makes it a favorite for adventure seekers and nature lovers. Eyjafjallajökull, a name few can pronounce but none can forget. In 2010, it grounded plains across Europe. With its glacier-capped summit and dark volcanic slopes, it's one of Iceland's most visually striking landmarks. Mount Etna towers over Sicily as Europe's most active volcano. Its eruptions are fierce and frequent, reshaping the land with every outburst. A landscape of extremes, fire and ice, danger and beauty. Volcán de Fuego, Guatemala, the volcano of fire. It's one of the most active volcanoes in Central America, often seen spewing ash and lava into the sky. Its power is constant, mesmerizing, and raw. And then there's Mount Kelimutu in Indonesia, home to 3 crater lakes, each a different color. These lakes change hues over time due to volcanic minerals and gases, creating a surreal, otherworldly view. They erupt, they sleep, they shape continents. From the depths of the Earth to the heights of the sky, volcanoes remind us of our planet's power and beauty. These are the world's most stunning volcanoes, timeless, untamed, unforgettable.
Like this video and subscribe for more hidden gems every week.